Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Guess I picked the right day to wear this shirt. We had a 1969 Super B. This is a genuine Super B. It was born at 383 4-speed. It's been restored as the M code or A12 Super B, which has the 440 6-pack with the lift-off hood and the black wheels. Really cool car. Wait till you hear this thing run. It's a 496 motor that's in there now with 550 horsepower. It's got a Dana 410 posi rear. We'll get into all of that. Or you can go to the volocars.com, our website, and you can read the specs, study all the pictures, and that is also where you'll find price tags on every one of our cars, including the monthly payments at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, you better buckle up. Let's go for a spin. Okay, what we have here, it's had some really nice restoration work done, except the paint job. It's an older paint job, and it looks good from right here, but it's a weak paint job. But underneath is all done, and the motor's all fresh. Fellow I got it from was one of those guys, very meticulous, very friendly person, but look how everything is labeled and neatly put in the binder here. There's even notes in the car. I see 3 tags right now that are typed out, where the battery cutoff is and just how to use the car. So it's from a meticulous person. The underneath had its original undercoat. He stripped all that off, all perfectly clean metal, and it's all painted hemi-orange underneath now. So the floors are beautiful. The bottom of the motor is fresh because the motor is fresh. It's brand new. It has a high torque starter, the oil pan, even all the bolts on the oil pan, motor mounts, all that looks new. It's an 833 4-speed, completely rebuilt. Literally opened it up, new gears, new gaskets, new clutch, new flywheel, so rebuilt 4-speed. It's a Denny's drive shaft, so it's a new drive shaft, U-joints. It's a Dana 60, that's the heavy-duty rear end, with 410 posi gears in the back. So this thing should light them up all the way down your street. It's got drum brakes all around. The e-brake system is hooked up. It's got a really nice exhaust. It has a TTI ceramic coated exhaust system. It has a crossover pipe. It has stainless steel mufflers. It also has stainless steel electric cutouts. At the end of the video, I'll demonstrate. You hit the switch and open it up, and this thing really rock and rolls. The fuel tank is restored. The fuel lines are new. KYB shocks all the way around. New leaf springs in back. They're 6-pack leaf springs, new bushings, and it also has some traction bars underneath that are new as well. Up front, the front end components don't look brand new, but they've been replaced. So that wraps up the underside. Now let's talk about the body. The body really is excellent. So it does show well because the car is straight and looks good. There's a lot of imperfections in the paint here, like it's all crackling right in through here. There's a little piece that's actually chipped off. There's some chips along here, but the fit's real nice, really straight down the sides. It's actually been in our showroom for a couple weeks. I walk past this car several times a day, and it looks beautiful, walking by it. But when you stop and look, yeah, there's chips on the paint and imperfections. Here's a chip up here. A lot of imperfections, little speckling in the paint all around there, but good body again. Now it has the lift-off hood. It was only half a year production, the A12. It was a factory race car, and that's what they replicated here. But it is a real Super B. The grille is in good original shape. It's not busted or broken. The bumper is a little tarnished, but it's nice and straight. Yeah, this side of the car is also real straight and fits nice, but you got paint flaws. Little checking all over. Got the correct antenna. Nice windshield. There's a faint wiper mark right there. Vent window pillars, real nice chrome. The trim, the stainless is real nice. The vinyl top is good. There's a few little bumps under it right here and right here. The rear glass is very good, original. The wheels are new. They're from Coker Tire. The whole tire wheel combo is new. So new 15-inch rims, new redline tires. They look like the old bias ply, but those are real cool. They're actual radials that look like bias plies. Those are all new. The back bumper is a little tarnished as well. Tail panel, good original shape. Oh, what are we forgetting? Door handles and mirror look good. So why don't we open it up and show you inside the car and what we got under that hood. So it does have a nice trunk compartment. This has been restored. They put a complete trunk pan underneath this mat. I don't want to tear it, but look, it's all new metal. They did a beautiful job putting that in. And you got the new mat. It's all painted orange. I see he even sprung for a 5th matching tire and rim. This is all brand new. Very few people will pay the extra and get a 5th one to match. As the jack assembly looks like it's restored. The weather strip's in real nice shape. Got the sticker under here. So we do have a nice trunk compartment. So door jambs are solid, they're clean, they look good, the weather strips are good. Door panel is good, it's a little warped along the bottom, but overall good shape. Now looking at the dash pad looks like it's replaced. All the plastic trim looks to be real good. And it is the rallye gauges, that's a tachometer over there. And then you have an aftermarket tachometer on the column. There is no radio, they just filled in from behind. And then there's a couple gauges down below. The light works. This is what makes it. Shifting through them gears. It's a factory 4-speed car. Here are some of the notes on how to operate it. There's one over here in the turn signal. So like I said, it came from a fussy person. Now this is a bucket seat car. This is called the Buddy cushion. Now it's a bench seat, now it's an armrest. But these are bucket seats. This is the binder that'll come with it. A back seat. There we go. We have all the seat belts, the back seat, the front seats are upholstered real nice, the rear side panels are real nice. Headliner looks good. A couple tiny holes in the headliner here, so got the shoulder belts. So overall, very nice interior. Now the hood's very light. One person can actually remove it. It's better with two just so you don't drop it. But this is a professionally built motor. It went to a machine shop for the machining, went to another shop to be rebuilt. It's got trick flow aluminum heads on there, an Edelbrock intake, has the 3 carbs, the 6-packs. They've been all restored and replated, rebuilt. They're all working properly. Inside the motor, it's been bored and stroked to a 494, putting out 550 horsepower. Has Race Tech pistons, Harlan sharp roller rockers, and we do have the specs, like the weight of the pistons and all that stuff. We have all that. And every component on the motor is beautiful. Those are TTI long tube coated headers. The alternator looks new. All the brackets, hoses, wiring, all looks new. So when the motor was out, the engine bay was all painted real nicely. So the washer bottle, the horns, the fan, the radiator, all that's excellent. Got the ram air cleaner so that scoop is functional, forces the air in. Got some nice tall valve covers. This is a muscle car. There's no frills here, no power steering. This is a hot rod. If you want to go out and bang some gears, boy, this is the car to do it with. So there you have it. Bottom line, it's a really good looking car. The underside's really impressive. The motor's super impressive. You just want a car to go driving around, not worry about a rock chip, but still going to get compliments and look great. That's this car right here. Go to volocars.com. I gave you my impression. Talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions. They can help get this delivered to your driveway. They can help you finance this car at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.